Good morning students. So today we are starting with the exercise 1.3. All the concepts which are used in this exercise that we have seen in the last video. So now today we are continuing from that. Now what we have seen in the last video, let me quickly recall everything. First we have seen the subset of a set. Now subset of a set, that means collection of the element which are in the set. Okay, we can say like that. Suppose A is equals to, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you consider B is equals to any 2 element or 3 element or all the 4 element, it will call the subset of the set. Like if I write down 2 and 3, then what I will have, all the element of B are the element of A. Therefore, B is called the subset of A, and this is the symbol of the subset. Right students? Now, after symbol, we have seen the not subset. This is the symbol of not subset. So this thing we have seen in the last video. Is after that we have seen the subset of a real number. The set of the real number. Which many subset we have? Then we have seen the natural number is the subset of R. Then integers, that is Z, it is a subset of R. Q, set of the rational number, it is the subset of R. As well as the irrational numbers are the subset of R, and R is a subset of itself. After this, we have seen the intervals are the subset of the R. Okay, so interval we have seen, and the first is the closed interval. Closed interval का मतलब क्या था? If we write down A and B, so this means that all the x where x belongs to R and A is less than equals to x less than equals to B. मतलब कि जब भी आप कंसीडर करें A B, then on the number line ये रहा A और यहाँ पे B. So including A and B, all the elements are there. Okay, A और B के बीच में जो भी नंबर्स आएंगे, शायद वो रैशनल हो, इरैशनल हो, इंटीजर्स हो, कुछ भी. So all the numbers will be there. Right, between A and B. So this is called the interval. तो जैसे ये open close interval हुआ, ऐसे आपके पास है open interval. After closed and open, then is closed open, then open closed. तो ये सारे intervals हमने देखे हुए हैं. After this we have seen the power set. Now what is the power set, student? Power set means set of all the subsets. तो set of all the subset क्या होता है? Suppose this is the A, then I should write down the power set of A. तो power set of A मुझे लिखना है, तो हम start करेंगे इसके subsets से. So first subset is 5, then write down all the singleton like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then write down all the double, that is 2 element you have write down like 1 2, then 1 3. Then 1 4. तो 1 के साथ सारे एलिमेंट आ गए. Then 2 3 and 2 4. Then with 3, that is 3 4. Now if you want to write it 4, then it is 4 1. It is actually there. Then 4 2 is actually here. Where is 2 4. Then 4 3, that means 3 4. So जो भी repeated है वो हमें नहीं लिखना है. That is a single variable. So these all are the elements. This is write down. Now write down all the triple. That means 3 elements को ऐसे सेट करते जाओ. So 1 2 3, right? फिर 1 से लेकर 1 3 4. Then is there any 1 2 and 4, right? 1 2 3 1 3 4 1 2 4. Similarly 2 का लिख के रखते जाओ. तो 2 3 4. I will write down 2 3 4. If I write 2 3 1, तो 2 3 1 कौन है? 1 2 3. If I write down 2 4 1, तो 2 4 1 है यहाँ पे ना 1 4 1 2 4. So these are the repeated. उसको मैं वापस नहीं लिखूँगा. Similarly, if I take 3, तो 3 के साथ मेरे पास क्या होगा? 3 4 and 1. 3 4 1 है यहाँ पे. तो similarly you have to find out the elements. तो ये सारे हम इसको बोलेंगे सबसेट. और ये जो power correction होगा, it is called as a power set of R, power set of A. That means the set of the subset of element of A. Now students, जब भी आप subset लिखिए तो check करना है is the all the elements are there or not. For this, what you have to check the number of elements in the power set. That I have told you the number of elements in the power set is 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n, where n is the number of elements in the set. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो how many elements are there? 4. So therefore this can be written as 2 raised to 4. That means 16. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 16 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. Once you can check and then find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That means all the elements are covered. So this is the power set of R. And after that we have seen the universal set. So universal set क्या होता है? Universal set, that means the set which contain all the set as a subset. मतलब कि हमारे पास A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. One more set element, D is equal to 7 and 8. Now I have to consider one bigger set which contain all these 4 set as a subset. तो ऐसा एक हमें सुपरसेट कंसीडर करना है. तो सुपरसेट क्या हो सकते हैं? 1 to 10, because 1 to 10 है कंसीडर करेंगे, then all these 4 are the subset of this set. So that's why this is the superset which contain all the set as a subset 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is called universal set. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमने यहाँ तक जो है सारा कंसेप्ट देख लिया. In the last class we have seen all these 4 concepts. और ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है आपकी स्टडीज के लिए एंड एज वेल एज फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस ऑल थिंग्स. नाउ लेट मी गेट बैक टू आवर एक्सरसाइज. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद इट. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज just fill the blank with the symbols subset or not subset. Now students, when we know then when we can say the subset of a set, when all the elements are in the set. Okay, all the elements of set B are in set A, then B is called the subset of A. So here you can see 2, 3 and 4. So 2 here, it is here also, 3, 3, 4 and 4. So all the elements of this set are in this set, therefore it is subset, right? And as we know now the subset definition very clearly, so we can do this. Now A, B, C and B, C, D. So here A, then A is there? No. तो पहला ही एलिमेंट आ नहीं रहा है, so we cannot check for the further. आप इसे चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, because one is not there, so this is not subset. Right students? Next, third one. X is a student of the class 11 of your school. तो क्लास 11 में जो स्टूडेंट है वो रहा हमारा फर्स्ट सेट. एंड सेकंड सेट इज X is the student of your school. Now students, you just feel which one is the larger set, student of your school or the students of the class 11. So obviously the student of the school is the larger set, और जो students of the 11th है वो सभी उसमें include होंगे. Therefore X, whereas the student of the class 11 is the subset of the set all the X, where X is student of your school, right? Third, then fourth, X, where X is the circle in a plane and X is a circle with radius 1. तो हमें सारे सर्कल लेने हैं जो प्लेन के अंदर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. एंड सेकेंड सेट इज द सर्कल विद द रेडियस 1. तो स्टूडेंट, विच वन इज द लार्जर वन? पूरे सर्कल का सेट लार्जर होगा या फिर 1 रेडियस वाला सेट लार्जर? ऑब्वियसली लार्जर सेट इज द ऑल द सर्कल्स. तो यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट सेट हियर, सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट सो मेनी सर्कल हियर व्हिच आर नॉट देयर और ऑल दैट सर्कल्स आर हियर. मतलब कि अगर आपके पास लिखा है तो ये अगर पहले लिखा होगा तो ये सबसेट होगा, बट इट इज नॉट रिटन लाइक दिस. एक्चुअली दिस इज अ सुपरसेट. Okay, so it is not a subset of this set. Next, X is a triangle in the plane and X is a rectangle in the plane. No comparison with all these two, so not subset. X is an equilateral triangle in the plane and X is a triangle in the same plane. Obviously, this one is the larger set and this is the smaller one. It will contain all the equilateral triangles, so subset. here also. So that's why here we have to put the symbol of the subset. Now students, again whenever you are checking the subset, just check this कि जो आपका पहला set है, is all the element are in the next set also or not. Here you can see this is the question number 1, which will clarify your doubt. Any doubt is there regarding subset and not subset, it will be clear. Okay, so now let me see question number 2. Question number 2 is the similar type. Here you have write down true, false. They have given the statements. You have write down it is true or false. Okay, so let me check the second one. So students, now question number 2 and 3 are true and false. So let me write down first one. Set AB is not the subset of BCA. So it is true or false. So you have to check, is AB a subset of this set? So that's why we have to check the elements. So A is here, A is here, B is here, B is here. So obviously it is a subset. But they have written not subset, so this statement is false. Right. Now second one. AE is subset of X is a vowel in the English alphabet. So you know that which are the vowels in the English alphabet is A, E, I, O, U. Obviously A and E, the subset is there. So this statement is true. Next, 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. So subset के लिए एक ही बात आपको चेक करनी है. I am repeating so many times that each element should be here also. So you can check that 1 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 2 is not there. So obviously false. एक एलिमेंट जो मिल जाता है जो यहाँ पे नहीं है, that means it is not a subset. A. So A is a subset of ABC. Yes, it is a singleton set. So we can say singleton A is a subset of this set. So this is true. Singleton A is a member of this set. So member का मतलब क्या होगा कि ये जो एलिमेंट है आपका that should be in the set. मतलब कि अगर आपके पास A, B, C इसकी जगह पे ऐसा सेट होगा. In a set singleton A, B, C. तो उसका मतलब होता कि सिंगलटन A जो है वो आपका एलिमेंट है, where here it is the subset. Okay, जो एलिमेंट्स है उसको अगर हम कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे then it will a subset. But here singleton A is a subset of A. It is not an element. Element मतलब कि वो अंदर ब्रैकेट के अंदर सेम अंदर होना चाहिए. Okay, in the curly bracket the same thing should be done like this, right? So therefore this is false. X is the even natural number less than 6 and X is the natural number which divide 36. So find out the even natural numbers which are less than 6. It is of 1 to 5, right? And find out the element which divide 36. Okay, so X is the natural number which divide 36. So 1 will divide 36. Yes. 2 will be divide. Yes, because it is a 6. Then 3 will be divide. Yes. 4. Yes. Then 5. No. 6. Yes. And 36. Okay. X is the natural number which divide 36. So all the other elements are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after 6 it will be 12. 9 also there. 9. Then 12. Then 18. Then 20. 18 and after this 36, right? So this is the set we are having, which is a natural number which divides 36. So all these elements are there. You can see these are not a subset. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? Subset. So obviously this statement is false. Right, students? So this statement is false. Now for this is the main aspect to check the where the subsets are be written or not. मेन तो ये दो क्वेश्चन है आपके पास स्टूडेंट्स जो आपका क्लैरिफाई करेंगे वो कंसेप्ट कि व्हेन यू कैन से इट इज अ सबसेट और इट इज अ एलिमेंट, राइट? सो नाउ हियर यू हैव 1 2 सेट 3 4 and 5. तो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे ये जो सेट है ना, सेट 3 4, इट इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ ए। तो अभी आपको इसके अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू राइट इट इज अ गिवन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ट्रू और फॉल्स। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 3 4, सो 3 4 इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट, मतलब कि अगर ये एलिमेंट का लिखा है तो इट इज अ ट्रू, बट दिस इज नॉट अ सबसेट, तो ये क्या होगा, फॉल्स। अगर मुझे यही को इसी को सबसेट के फॉर्म में लिखना है, देन दिस एलिमेंट मस्ट बी एनक्लोज्ड बिटवीन द कर्ली ब्रैकेट। सो यहाँ पे लिखा है इन द कर्ली ब्रैकेट 3 4 इज देयर, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द करेक्ट थिंग, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू। अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट? एलिमेंट को क्या लिखेंगे, जो सिंगल सिंगल एलिमेंट है उसको एलिमेंट्स को हमें ब्रैकेट के अंदर एनक्लोज नहीं करना, where subset are enclosed between the brackets, right? तो जब भी हम 3 4 लिख रहे हैं तो 3 4 in a curly bracket which is actually the element of a set, so this is not a subset, it is an element, right? But when you are writing this element in the curly bracket, okay, curly bracket के अंदर लिखेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, subset। Now 1 belongs to A, so 1 is in set, yes, it is the element of the set, so this is the element of the set, so 1 belongs to A. Is 1 is a subset of A? Then no. अगर इसे subset लिखना है तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा in a curly bracket 1, it will be subset of A. Understood student? तो जब भी आपके पास element लिखा जा रहा है, then element will be not enclosed under the curly bracket, but subsets will be always enclosed between the curly bracket. 1 2 and 5 is a subset of A. 1 2 and 5, yes, it is a subset of A, so true. 1 2 5 belongs to A, false, because it is subset। अगर मुझे लिखना होता तो I will write like without curly bracket, then it will be true, but it is enclosed between the bracket, so it is false, right? हाँ, यहाँ पे अगर अभी आपके पास symbol होता subset, then it will be true। 8 1 2 3 is a subset of A. Now check students, here आपके पास एलिमेंट है 1 2 3 सिंगल है यहाँ पे, नो, एक्चुअली सेट 3 4 इज द एलिमेंट, सिंगलटन 3 सिंगलटन 4 एलिमेंट के सब एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, सॉरी सेट के एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, सो दैट्स व्हाई 1 2 3 इज नॉट अ सबसेट ऑफ द A, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। ओके, 5 then singleton 5 is the element of the set, no, this is no meaning at empty bracket, and this is not a subset, this is not a element of the set। अगर यहाँ पे हमने 5 लिखा होगा then it is the element, but यहाँ पे 5 नहीं है, so this is false, but 5 is a subset of A because 5 is a subset of every set, so this is true। If you have written 5 in a curly bracket, then wrong, 5 is actually it is a curly bracket, okay, so उसको curly bracket में enclose करने की जरूरत नहीं है। हाँ, if you have 5 here, then you should write down like this, in a curly bracket 5 will be subset of A, but it is not there, so this statement is also false। So I hope students now your concept when you have to write down the belongs to and when you have to write down the subset or does not subset, that will be clear। ठीक है, एलिमेंट जब लिखा जाएगा वो सिंगल लिखा जाएगा, उसके साथ ब्रैकेट नहीं होगा। यस, इन द सेट अगर वहां पे ब्रैकेट है, जैसे 3 4 इज इन ब्रैकेट, देन 3 4 इज द एलिमेंट, ओके, बट इन द अदर केस इट इज element will be written as a single, okay, then subset will be always enclosed between the brackets, जैसे कि आपके पास है 3 4 is the element, it is the bracket, 1 is a set, if I write down like this then it is a subset, okay, then 1 2 5 are the element of the set and it is written in a bracket, so it is a subset। 1 2 5 it is not if I not write down this bracket then it is a subset, it is a member of the set, otherwise it is a subset। Okay students, so I hope now you have cleared the idea about the when we can say the subset of a set and when we can say the element of the set। Okay students, so today we are going to start the next question, That is the question number 4 of this exercise. Please note down all the things in your notebook. So your notebook also will be complete, and when you write this, your concept will be more clear. So let me see the next question. Now students, question number 4. Write down all the subset of the following set. The first one is singleton A. So now we have to write down, let me write down as in the A, then we are going to write down the power set of A. Right? That is set of all the subsets. So now first, whenever we are going to write any subset, तो first आपको क्या लिखना है? एक तो empty set, because empty set is a subset of all the set. Second, the set itself, that is A. So this is the set we have phi and singleton A. As there is no other element, so we cannot write them further. Now for checking, you can check 2 raised to n. Here n is equals to 1. So 2 raised to 1, that is 2. There are 2 elements. Yes. So done. Second question, that is A is equals to, I am writing here the set A and B, A comma B. So this is another set. So A is equals to AB. Now you have to write down the power set of A. Now sir, first decide how many elements is there in the power set of A. Okay, तो कितने सबसेट होंगे? 2 raised to n. n is equals to number of element. यहाँ पे element are 2. So n is equals to 2. So 2 raised to 2, that means 4. So here you should have 4 elements. तो 2 एलिमेंट तो फिक्स है, एक तो 5 और दूसरा आपका AB. The set itself, right? 2 are fixed. Now another 2 you have to find. तो बाकी के दो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? First write down the single. तो singleton A and singleton B. Then double में तो सेट खत्म हो रहा है. So these are the 4 elements which we have. Now third one is 1, 2, 3 that I am giving to you. तो third आप कर लीजिएगा. Now fourth is a 5. तो 5 मतलब कि empty set. So no element is there. So here n is equals to 0. तो 2 raised to 0 कितना होगा? 1. So in the power set only one element is there, which is the set itself, that is the 5. Okay, so it has only one element, that is the set itself. और इसके सबसेट कितने होंगे? The set itself only, nothing else. तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपको कहीं भी पूछा जा सकता है. How many subsets are there in an empty set? For an empty set, right? So there are only one subset of a set, that is the set itself. Okay students, so now this is your question number 4, and now the question number 5. Question number 5 is how many element has power set of A if A is equals to 5? It is the same one, 4th one. How many element of an empty set having? That is a 1. So okay students, so here we are stop our today's class. Here today we have seen up to question number 5. Please check this video again and again. See all the questions so you can get the clear idea about the subset, elements and the other concept. Okay students, so we are stopped here. Thank you and have a nice day.